Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice chat on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the game on your device, go ahead and open it up. After opening it, you will need to go ahead and start a new game. And once your game has started, from within the game screen, you will be able to find the microphone icon at the top right corner alongside the map. Just tap on this button and you will be able to change the settings to chat with your teammates. Tap on the team option and go ahead and allow access to your microphone. Once the access has been allowed, you will be able to chat with all of your teammates. You can also tap on the team option, which will allow you to speak only for 10 seconds. And there you have it. That is how you can turn on your microphone and enable voice chat on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.